Want to give your customers a free gift when they buy a product on Shopify? Here's the easiest way to set it up. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and clicking Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for a free gift app like Free Gifts by Bold or another compatible app. Add and install the app. Open it and create a new promotion. Choose the trigger conditions for the free gift. For example, when a customer buys a specific product or spends a minimum order amount. Next, select the product you want to offer as the free gift. Customize any display options or messages that will show in the cart, then save and activate the promotion. Now, when customers meet the conditions, the free gift will automatically be added to their order. That's it. Your Shopify store can now automatically give a free gift with qualifying purchases. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.